Imagine this. You're standing in front of the mirror, getting ready for an event. You put on your favorite outfit, one you've worn for years, but something feels off. It's not the fit and it's not the style, it's the color. It just doesn't give you that glow, that confidence, that effortless elegance you once felt. But why? The truth is, as we age, our skin tone, hair color, and even the way we carry ourselves change. And while we may still love the colors we once wore, some of them might not be loving us back anymore. In fact, they could be washing us out, emphasizing fine lines or even making us look more tired than we actually feel. But don't worry. In this video, we're not just talking about the colors that no longer serve you. We're giving you better alternatives. Colors that will make you look radiant, youthful, and effortlessly sophisticated. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what shades to avoid and which ones will bring out the best in you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you love fashion and beauty tips that help you look and feel your best at any age. And let me know in the comments, what's your go-to color that makes you feel amazing? Now, let's get started. Color number 1, black, the timeless mistake. Black has long been known as the go-to color for sophistication, elegance, and effortless chic. It's slimming, it's versatile, and it's a classic. But here's the secret no one tells you. Black can be harsh on mature skin. Picture this. You're at a dinner party wearing your favorite black dress. The lighting is soft, the conversation is flowing, but when you catch a glimpse of yourself in a mirror, you notice something unsettling. Your skin looks dull, your features seem harsher, and instead of looking effortlessly elegant, you look tired. Why does this happen? As we age, our skin loses some of its natural vibrancy. Black, being such a deep and stark shade, can create harsh shadows, emphasizing wrinkles, under-eye circles, and fine lines. Instead of enhancing your natural beauty, it can drain the warmth from your complexion. What to wear instead? If you love the elegance of black, don't worry. You don't have to give it up entirely. Instead, swap it for softer, more flattering neutrals like navy, charcoal, or deep plum. These colors still offer that sophisticated, slimming effect, but with a gentler contrast that complements mature skin tones. Color number 2, pastel pink, the fading effect. Soft pastel pinks might seem like a delicate feminine choice, but they can often have the opposite effect on women over 60. The problem? They can wash you out, making your skin appear pale or ashy instead of glowing and vibrant. Think of it this way. Imagine a beautiful pink rose that has started to fade in the sunlight. The once vibrant color looks dull, lacking the richness it once had. That's exactly what pastel pink can do to your complexion. It can sap the life out of your skin tone rather than enhance it. What to wear? Instead of soft pastel pinks, opt for richer, deeper shades like rose, coral, or raspberry. These colors bring warmth to the skin, enhancing your natural glow and making you look more vibrant and youthful. A raspberry blouse or a coral scarf can instantly brighten your face, making you look and feel radiant. Color number 3, beige, the invisible. Color beige is often marketed as a safe color, a neutral that goes with everything. But here's the truth. Beige can make you blend into the background. Instead of looking chic, you risk looking washed out and lifeless. Imagine walking into a room and feeling like no one notices you. Not because of your confidence or personality, but because your outfit fades into the background. That's the effect beige can have, especially if you have a fair or cool complexion. What to wear instead? Rather than beige, choose warm, rich neutrals like camel, caramel, or soft taupe. These colors still offer that classic, neutral appeal, but they have more warmth and depth, helping to highlight your features rather than dull them. Color number 4. Stark white, the unforgiving shade. White is crisp, clean, and classic, but stark white can be one of the most unforgiving colors on mature skin. It creates a high contrast that can emphasize imperfections, fine lines, and any uneven tones in your complexion. Picture yourself wearing a pure white blouse. Under the bright lights of a department store, it looks fresh and chic. But in natural daylight, you might notice that instead of looking radiant, your skin looks flat or even slightly sallow. What to wear instead? Instead of bright, stark white, go for softer, warmer alternatives like ivory, cream, or champagne. These shades still offer that elegant, fresh look, but with a more forgiving, flattering effect on mature skin. Color number 5. Neon shades, the overpowering statement. Neon colors are bold, energetic, and attention-grabbing, but they can easily overpower your natural beauty rather than enhance it. These ultra-bright colors can clash with mature skin tones, creating a harsh contrast that draws attention to the wrong places. Think of neon as a loudspeaker. Sometimes it's just too much. Instead of making you look vibrant and fresh, it can make your complexion look tired or overwhelmed. What to wear? Instead of neon, choose rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, or deep burgundy. These shades are bold enough to make a statement, but in a refined, elegant way that enhances your natural beauty. The colors you wear should make you feel confident, vibrant, and effortlessly beautiful. While some shades may no longer be as flattering as they once were, there are so many incredible alternatives that will enhance your natural glow and highlight your best features. Fashion isn't about following rules, it's about finding what makes you feel amazing. So, next time you're choosing an outfit, think about how the color makes you feel. Does it brighten your complexion? Does it make you feel confident? That's the real secret to looking and feeling your best at any age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might love these tips. And let me know in the comments, what's a color you've stopped wearing and what's your new favorite go-to shade?